Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG TV that has WebOS. So the first thing is let's go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. The buds are in the case. I'm going to open up this lid. I'll notice in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light on mine, then mine turns off. So for myself, let me just manually put this into pairing mode. If you look on the back of the case here, you have that little button. Press and hold that button and wait till the light here blinks. Green, orange, green, orange. Ready, set, press and hold. Keep holding now, just wait. Green, orange, green, orange. Go ahead and let go. Leave it just like this now. And then we're going to shoot over to our LG TV. Go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button if you have one. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, then navigate to the gear icon, the top left-hand side. So let me move left. I'm going to go up. Oops, let me go left. Down, down, right there. Now make sure the settings is highlighted white there, and then we're going to OK on the remote again. Give it 1 second. It's moving there. On the left pane here, we're going to go down one to sound. Select that. From here, we're going to go down, and it says sound out. Currently, it's come out of my TV speaker, but we wanted to come out of these. So let's go ahead and select sound out. From here, we're going to go down to use wireless speaker right there. Let's select that. Now select Bluetooth device. Let's select that. And now you can see my other earbuds and headphones I connected here. But what you want to do is go all the way in the bottom here, in the very bottom there. That little thing that's spinning there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range, and I already found it. You can see the open dots right there. So let's just go down and highlight it and then select OK on the remote. And it's connecting. Give it 1 second here. Oh, and it says connected down there, and I know it's connected on here because you get a solid green light. And you can also see up there it says connected. So there you go, pretty simple. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues connecting or pairing these, you can always perform a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.